Hi, my name is Pradeep Kumar Chintuluru. I would like to discuss about call centers. A call center is a centralized office used for the purpose of receiving or transmitting a large volume of requests by telephone. There are two types of call centers, namely inbound and outbound call centers. Inbound call center is operated by a company to administer incoming product support or information inquiries for consumers. Outbound call centers are operated for telemarketing, solicitation of charitable or political donation, debt collection, and market research. A call center is operated through an extensive open workspace for call center agents with workstations that include a computer for each agent, a telephone set or headset connected to a telecom switch, and one or more supervisor stations. It can be independently operated or networked with additional centers, often linked to a corporate computer network, including mainframes, microcomputers, and LANs. Increasingly, the voice and data path in the call centers are linked through a set of new technologies called computer telephony integration. A call center, also known as customer interaction center, is a central point of any organization from which all customers' contacts are managed. Through call centers, valuable information about companies are routed to appropriate people, contacts to be tracked, and data to be gathered. It is generally a part of company's customer relationship management. Today, customers contact companies by telephone, email, online chat, fax, and instant messages. There are six key components which should be integrated into the call center operation: location, building and facilities, customer, technology, process, people, finance, and business management. People are the most critical asset in any call center, as it is they who really deliver the business performance. Now, here comes the question: why use a call center? In any business that deals with customers, a high volume of service related calls can be accepted. Call centers can fulfill a variety of services which small businesses may find too expensive to pay for a full time basis, on which large businesses may find inefficient to run in house. Use of a call center when it comes to IT solution is almost unavoidable, as with so many people owning computers at home, the need of 24 hours live help desk and contact center solutions become unavoidable because they are often located in different time zones. Call centers provide an efficient and cost effective way to restructure your business needs on the both these fronts, offering round the clock support to your customers. Finally, call centers can provide a number of teleservices, including consulting and advice lines. This is the end of my speech regarding this topic. Thank you.